After we have collected and scanned the laundry from your care home, the load arrives at our facility into a special holding area where the cage full of laundry bags is scanned in. Each bag is opened one at a time, and the garments are inspected to see if they require labeling. QR-coded labels are added to garments that don't have one, helping to identify the resident it belongs to. Details of items that require delicate washing and drying are entered into our bespoke computer system to ensure they receive the correct wash and dry program. Every item is then placed back in the laundry bag it arrived in. The bag and its contents are taken to a sorting station where they are scanned, separated into lights, darks, and delicates. When we scan the item, we'll instantly see if there are any special care requirements for that garment. Any heavily soiled items are placed by your staff into water-soluble bags at your care home and sealed. Following our strict infection control processes, these unopened water-soluble bags are placed by our staff into string bags, which are allocated to an individual resident for the entire process. This ensures items without labels are not lost during washing and drying. The water-soluble bags will dissolve during the wash, leaving clean, decontaminated items. Following the drying process, non-labeled items are labeled with the owner's details and individually scanned in. During our wash process, we use proven chemistry to ensure validated disinfection at cooler temperatures. By washing items at or below a highest temperature of 30 degrees centigrade, we prevent damage to your residents' clothing and ensure a more environmentally friendly process. Once the garments have been sorted, the cages the laundry bags are collected in pass through an automated cage sanitizing system. The sanitized cages are then scanned into the clean area and ready to be used to deliver the processed laundry back to your care home. The laundry comes out of our wash process into a dedicated clean area, where each item is dried according to its care instructions. Once dry, the load is taken to a sorting table where every item is hand-folded and, if required, ironed. Each item of clothing then enters our custom-built, error-free packaging process. Here, each item is scanned once more and then placed onto a section of a rack assigned to individual residents. The intelligent design of the system prevents items being mixed up. In the unlikely event this were to occur, when a member of staff tries to place a garment into the wrong section, an alarm sounds to alert staff, who then move the item to the correct location. Then, once the process of placing items onto the rack is complete, the items for each care home and resident are identified and removed from the rack. They are then sealed in plastic with a bespoke packing note alongside the residents' laundry bags, which also go through the wash and dry process. The packaged items and laundry bags are placed into a clean, sanitized cage. The cage is then secured with a customer-specific tag, making it ready for direct delivery back to the care home. Each cage is scanned out of our facility and onto our lorry, ready to make its journey back to your care home.